Customer demand increase, inventory low, need attention. Can risk losing customer. Good morning, Ilham.
Good morning, my dear.
I read the report for the sales and marketing manager. Our customer order are increasing, but our coffee stock in missing low.
Yes, my dear.
I want to have internal meeting to discuss this problem.
Okay, my dear. Who should I invite?
Please invite the sales marketing manager, and procurement manager, finance manager, logistic manager, quality control manager, and legal office.
Sure, my dear. When is the meeting?
Tomorrow at 10 p.m. in the meeting room.
Okay, my dear. I will send the meeting invitation today.
Please tell everyone to prepare the report and ideas before the meeting.
Yes, my dear. I will inform everyone.
Thank you, Ilham.
You're welcome, my dear.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
As you know, we are facing increase in customer demand while our inventory is running low. I'd like as department to provide an update and suggest possible solution. Let's begin with the sales and marketing department.
Thank you. Our sales increased by around 30% over the past month. Many of our regular customers are placing large order, and we expect this trend to continue. If we don't replenish our inventory soon, we may fail to meet customer demand.
Thank you for the report. Quality control, please.
We require high quality Robusta coffee that meets our product standards. The supplier must provide a consistent quality and proper food safety certification.
Understood. Logistic.
We have reviewed several shipping options. Importing from Southeast Asia is feasible, and sea freight would be the most effective method.
Finance.
Our current budget is sufficient for international purchase. We can also arrange suitable payment terms once a supplier is selected.
Legal.
There are no major legal obstacles as long as both parties agree on the contract and all import documents are complete. The transaction can proceed.
Procurement. What are your recommendations?
After reviewing several coffee producing countries, I recommend sourcing our Robusta coffee from Indonesia.
Why Indonesia?
Indonesia is one of the world's leading producer of Robusta coffee. The quality is well recognized, production capacity is large, and the country has extensive experience exporting coffee to international markets.
Does anyone have any objection?
No, sir.
Based on today's discussion, I approve proposal to source Robusta coffee from Indonesia. I appoint the procurement manager, finance manager, and legal officer as our negotiation team. Please prepare everything necessary before contacting the supplier.
Now that we've been appointed as a negotiation team, we need to prepare our import requirements before contacting the supplier. I agree. We should define our budget and target advance first. From the quality perspective, we need Robusta specialty coffee with consistent quality. Supplier should also provide the necessary quality certificate.
We also need to decide the preferred shipping method. I recommend sea freight because it's more economical for both shippers.
I will prepare a draft contract and a list of documents required for the import process.
I'll record today's discussion and prepare for the official correspondence.
Let's summarize our requirements.
Noted.
We will request the product is Robusta specialty coffee. The quantity is 1 ton and delivery within 30 days after the agreement is signed. Our target is to obtain a competitive price with flexible payment terms. We also require a certificate of origin and quality certification.
Safira, good news. The supplier has replied.
What did they say?
They appreciate our interest and have agreed to hold a meeting tomorrow morning.
Good. Please inform the CEO that the meeting has been confirmed.
Certainly.
Good morning and welcome to all the guests for our morning prayer. We would like to express our sincere appreciation for our presence at today's meeting. First of all, we would also like to thank you for the productive communication we have through email. Based on our previous discussion, both companies have expressed a strong interest in establishing a partnership for the export and import of specialty Robusta coffee. The purpose of today's meeting is to find out all the agreements that have been discussed via email, so that we can process with signing a formal business contract and begin our collaboration as soon as possible. To begin today's meeting, I would like to invite the representative of Morning Park to deliver the opening remarks. Thank you for your work, welcome. We also appreciate your quick response to the partnership proposal we sent by email. After reading your company profile, product details, and your offer, we believe Nusantara Coffee is the right partner for Morning Park. Today, we hope we can read all the points of our partnership. So, the import process can start soon.
Terima kasih atas sambutannya. Kami juga mengapresiasi respon cepat dari PT Nusantara Kopi terhadap proposal kerjasama yang kami kirimkan melalui email. Setelah mempelajari profil perusahaan, spesifik produk, serta penawaran yang telah diberikan, kami yakin PT Nusantara Kopi merupakan mitra yang tepat bagi Morning Park. Hari ini kami berharap seluruh poin kerjasama dapat kita finalisasi sehingga proses impor dapat segera dilaksanakan.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite the International Marketing Representative for PT Nusantara Coffee to present a brief summary of the discussion and agreements that have been reached through our previous email correspondence.
Thank you. Before today's meeting, both companies communicated through email regarding our business cooperation. From those discussions, we have already agreed on the product type, purchase quantity, price, and shipping plans. Today's meeting is to confirm all those details before signing the contract.
That's right. Based on our previous email, we would like to buy 3 tons of specialty Robusta coffee in 1 year, with 1 ton shipped every 4 months. Can Nusantara Coffee still provide that amount?
Yes, we can. Based on our internal meeting, our production capacity is sufficient to meet your order. We have also prepared a production schedule to ensure every shipment is delivered on time.
Okay. We also want to make sure about the product quality. In our previous email, Nusantara Coffee said that every shipment will have the same quality. Can this be corrected?
Baik, kami juga ingin memastikan kembali mengenai kualitas produk. Dalam komunikasi email sebelumnya, PT Nusantara Coffee menyampaikan bahwa setiap pengiriman akan memiliki kualitas yang sama. Apakah hal tersebut dapat dijamin?
Of course, our coffee comes from selected partner farmers who follow the same farming standard. Every batch goes through sorting, grading, cooking tests, and quality control before shipment. Therefore, we can ensure consistent quality for every shipment.
That explanation needs
Data tersebut sesuai dengan kebutuhan kami.
thank you. We will now move on to the financial aspect of our proposed partnership.
In our last email, we offered $7,000 a ton, including shipping. Is the price okay with you?
You has evaluated production cost, operating cost, and export cost based on the last calculation. We are offering a price of $10,100 per metric ton on a CMF basis. Do you agree? Tim kami telah melakukan evaluasi terhadap biaya produksi, biaya operasional, dan biaya ekspor. Berdasarkan hasil perhitungan tersebut, kami memberikan harga sebesar $10.500 per ton dengan ketentuan CMF. Apakah Anda setuju?
I see that based on our market research and demand about special Robusta coffee beans, we need a 30 profit margin that brings the price to 8,400. How does that sound to you?
Baik, namun berdasarkan riset dan kebutuhan kami terkait dengan biji robusta specialty, kami mendapatkan sebesar 30% untuk kerjasama ini dengan harga USD sebesar 8.400. Bagaimana dengan harga tersebut?
Alright, if you are offering 8,400, we can accept it, provided that this price covers all costs incurred during the export process. Please note that our profit margin on the price you are offering is 31%. Do you still agree to the price of 8,400?
Sure, I agree. How would you like to handle the payment?
Baik, kami setuju. Bagaimana dengan metode pembayarannya?
We propose using a letter of credit to ensure the transaction is secure for both parties with the condition that you need 30% down payment so we can ship the order goods. Kami mengusulkan penggunaan letter of credit agar transaksi lebih aman bagi kedua belah pihak dengan ketentuan mengirimkan pembayaran uang muka sebesar 30% agar kami bisa mengirimkan barang yang besar.
We talked about this internally and agreed to use letter of credit. We will pay a 30% deposit once both of us sign the contract.
Oke, kami telah mendiskusikan persoalan tersebut secara internal dan menyatakan setuju menggunakan letter of credit atau LC, dan kami mengirimkan pembayaran uang muka sebesar 30% setelah kontrak kerjasama, dan ini sudah disetujui oleh kedua belah pihak.
Okay, thank you. Next, we will move on to the discussion of the shipping agreements. We want to ensure the delivery schedule aligns with the previous discussion.
Kami ingin memastikan jadwal pengiriman sesuai pembahasan sebelumnya.
Based on our discussion during the internal meeting, there will be 2 shipments. Each shipment will be 1 metric ton with a 4-month interval between them. We'll also send the ships the quarter schedule to monitor before each shipment is ready. Sesuai hasil diskusi kami pada rapat internal, pengiriman akan dilakukan sebanyak 3 kali, masing-masing pengiriman sebanyak 1 ton dengan interval 4 bulan. Kami juga akan mengirimkan jadwal keberangkatan kapal kepada Moninper sebelum setiap proses pengiriman dilakukan. How do you keep the coffee quality good during shipping to the US?
Bagaimana perusahaan kalian memastikan kualitas kopi tetap terjaga pada saat perjalanan ke Amerika Serikat?
Okay, to
product will be packaged in green fabrics, placed inside jet sets to maintain a stable moisture content. Additionally, we use containers that input product shipping standards and product inspection before the goods are shipped. The destination has ensured calibration.
Baik, terima kasih penjelasan tersebut telah menjawab pertanyaan kami.
Thank you. And next, I would like to invite our legal officer to present the legal aspect of the proposed agreement.
Thank you. Based on our discussion that have taken place from email correspondence and today meeting, we would like to reconfirm the term of our agreement. The contract will be valid for 1 year. The total price of all will be 3 metric tons, with delivery to be made in 3 separate segments. The agreed price is $8,400 per metric ton. The payment method will be letter of credit with 30% down payment to be made prior to the shipment of the goods to the United States as part of the agreement. May we confirm that the Nusantara Coffee agrees to all of these terms?
Terima kasih. Berdasarkan seluruh pembahasan yang telah dilakukan melalui email maupun rapat ini, kami ingin memastikan beberapa hal. Jadi kontrak yang berlaku itu salah satunya pun volume pembelian sebanyak 3 ton, pengiriman dilakukan secara 3 kali, harganya sebesar USD 8.400 per tonnya, metode pembayaran menggunakan letter of credit atau LC, serta pembayaran uang muka sebesar 30% sebelum barang dikirim ke Amerika Serikat guna persetujuan kerjasama. Apakah seluruh poin tersebut telah disetujui oleh PT Nusantara Coffee? Yes, we have coordinated with all departments and we agree with all the terms you have mentioned.
Ya, kami telah berkoordinasi dengan seluruh divisi perusahaan dan menyatakan menyetujui seluruh poin yang telah Anda sampaikan.
Okay, thank you. In that case, we can request that the sales contract be prepared based on the agreement reached during the meeting for review and signature by the parties.
Baik, dengan demikian tolong siapkan dokumen sales kontrak berdasarkan hasil rapat hari ini untuk ditinjau dan ditandatangani oleh kedua perusahaan.
Okay, are there any other matter that either party would like to discuss before we conclude today's meeting?
No, everything is clear. Happy with the explanation. Thank you.
Tidak ada. Seluruh poin yang kami ajukan telah mendapatkan penjelasan yang memuaskan. Terima kasih.
That's all from PT Nusantara Coffee also has no further comments. We will immediately follow up on all shipping preparation once the contract takes effect. We hope this cooperation will continue beyond 1 year and grow into a long-term partnership that benefits both companies.
Thank you to all the guests for the Nusantara Coffee and Morning Prayer for your excellent cooperation through today's negotiation and finalization meeting. Based on the outcome of our discussion, the company has successfully reached an agreement on all key aspects of our partnership that were previously discussed via email, including the product specification, purchase volume, pricing, payment method, shipping schedule, and the preparation of the business contract. We hope this agreement marks the beginning of a professional, long-term, and mutually beneficial business relationship. With that, we officially conclude the finalization meeting for the export and import partnership of specialty Robusta coffee between PT Nusantara Coffee and Morning Prayer. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Mr. Haidir, we are delighted about this successful negotiation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Andi. We are ready being partner with Nusantara Coffee. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Please report the result of the negotiation.
The negotiation was successful whom Nusantara Coffee agreed to supply 3 tons of specialty Robusta coffee for 1 year, with deliveries one ton every 4 months.
We agree on $8,400 a ton under GNF terms. Payment will be by letter of credit with 30% advance payment.
I will review the sales contract once we receive the final draft from Nusantara Coffee before both parties agree.
Continuing from our schedule for the shipment and during our house readiness.
We will inspect the coffee upon arrival to ensure it meets our quality standards.
We are ready to launch the marketing campaign once the first shipment arrives.
Excellent. Please proceed according to your responsibility and ensure the first shipment runs smoothly. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.